This is Sri for Just Nailed It, and welcome to my channel. We are here with Charlie's advent calendar on our very last day of December 24th. This has been a lot of fun. Our box is now empty. Here we are on our 24th. Oh, I know what this is. Here we are on our 24th day. I want to thank Charlie for doing this advent calendar. It has been a lot of fun. I'm not sure just for me, but I'm sure for a lot of other women who participated. It has been fun seeing their nail art for the past 24 days, as well as my own. It's been a joy, you know, being curious and seeing what's in the next envelope. So we're gonna dive in, see what is in ours for today. Oh, not what I thought. This is called Silver. Hexagon Nail Glitter Mix. It is a 4-gram bag. I'm gonna get a nail. I'm gonna put a base coat on her. You don't have to at this point, but I'm going to. I'm gonna cure that real quick. Didn't dissipate silver. This is a silver hollow mix. Hello Erica. Hello baby. It is so pretty. Like it says, this is a hexagon mix. Okay, we are ready to go. We're gonna get our nail out of the lamp. We're gonna pour this over. Top coater. Ooh, buddy. I'm hoping to get some of this out of the way first. Whoops. Tap. I'm hoping to get some of the fine mix in there too, not just the chunkiness. So I'm pushing this back over. I'm going to stick this back in the lamp. Hopefully it will adhere better to the nail. Getting a tickle in my throat. Oh, forgive me, please. This is a beautiful mix. I'm not one for chunky glitters. I like the fine mixes myself, but this is beautiful. It's a beautiful hollow. I think this would have been beautiful without the chunkiness, but this is gorgeous. So, we have got our nail back out of the lamp. I am going to take a thicker top coat by Ideal Beauty. Hope this works well with me. So I want the the glitter to stay in place. I'm not going to worry about contaminating this. We are at the end of our bottle. We've got a good amount here on our nail. Let's try to maneuver some of these pieces. think this is just gorgeous. So I'm going to pop her in the lamp, get a full cure going on here. This is going to take more than one coat of top coat. Sorry about that. Getting a little tongue-tied. Clean up your mess. I am going to go in with, I don't know, maybe I should put my Christmas tree on. I've been really wanting to use this. This is from Charlie's, I think. Wait a minute. I can't remember where I got this at. I've had these sitting off to my side wanting to use them, and I haven't got to yet. But they have Christmas items inside, and I really want to use that tree. So we're going to top coat again, because, oh, that's pretty smooth. That's why I wanted to use a thicker top coat than, say, Beetles. This bottle is contaminated now because I see glitter here on the nail. That's alright. I think I am going to add my Christmas tree. Whoops. Probably should have glued this on. I'm not exactly happy where it's at. Okay, here we go. Putting this in for a full cure in my lamp. Those off to the side. We're not using those today. Remember, this is a silver hollow hexagon mix by Charlie's Nail Art Supply. Check them out at charliesnailart.co.uk. Use my 10% off code of NailedIt10, all caps. Save yourself 10% off your bill. And who doesn't want to save 10% off? I mean, it's off your total bill. And Charlie's got a lot of nice items on there, and they are of great quality, and they are cheap, cheap, cheap. So check out Charlie's. I hope everybody has a blessed, truly blessed Christmas Eve, and that it is spent with family and loved ones, and that you are being as safe as you possibly can be during this pandemic. It's been crazy 2020 has, and I can only pray that there's going to be a light in 2021. I really honestly do. Something's got to give. And I just hope it's only for the better. Look at this mix up, my man. That is just so beautiful. Love, love, love. Love, love, love. I should see why we're waiting for. I put the nail in on the extended time, evidently. But this is just so beautiful. Check that out on Charlie's. You could use this for New Year's Eve. So here we are, fresh out of the lamp. What do you think? Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my little doodad. My little design for Christmas Eve. I think it's just beautiful. That hollow glitter. Oh. Well, leave me a comment down below with your thoughts. Subscribe to my channel. Click the bell and click all. That way you get notified of all future uploads. Take a look back over the month of December and see everything I've done. It has been a whirlwind, and it's been so much fun to do all this nail art. I did the 12 Days of Christmas with Pumpkin's Nail Station. Did the 24 days of the Advent Calendar here with Charlie. Did a couple acrylic videos, a couple She Moderns. There's a lot of videos this month, and I appreciate your support so very much. Lets me know who's out there, who's watching. And I appreciate you all, I really do. Have yourselves a blessed Christmas Eve. And don't forget the real reason for the night. Thank you.